Macele says what Makhumalo she was explaining about their friendship with Masaule, Musamseleku's late wife, that they were very close. Masaule bring a lunchbox for Makhumalo at work was not true. How Macele knows? Because Macele was staying in Sipak. The person who bring Makhumalo in Muzumbe is Masaule. Masaule was protecting Makhumalo because Mayeni asked Masaule what that girl she was doing in Muzumbe. Masaule lied to Mayeni. So Mayeni knows their relationship with Makhumalo and Masaule, what's going on, because Masaule was trying to protect Makhumalo for Musamseleko. But Macele says it was not true. Macele and Masaule, Musamseleko's late wife, they don't get along because Musamseleko asked the Macele and Mayeni to go to Masaule's grave to see what's going on. And Macele says, no, I can't go to her grave. Macele doesn't like Masaule at all. Even I don't think those people, even they talk to each other. I don't see the picture Musamseleku with his two wives, Masaule and Macele, because at that time, Macele didn't accept Istanbul for Musamseleku like what she was doing for Makhumalo. Yes, for with Makhumalo, Macele with Makhumalo and Mangwabe, they don't get along, but those people, they spend time together. That's why Mayeni was explaining that Masaule didn't get a chance what they are doing together because those people, they spend time together. Mayeni, Macele, Makhumalo, we watch it on season 1. Those people, they start fighting on season 7, but all along season 1 to season 6 we see them together shopping everything. So Mayeni explained that Masaule didn't get that chance what they are doing to spend time together as a family because Macele and Masaule, they look like they are enemies. What I saw, Macele even until now doesn't like even to discuss about Masaule. She doesn't want to discuss about it. Maybe Macele blame Masaule that maybe Masaule was the one who bring Makhumalo what. But what she was saying about Makhumalo, that it's a lie. Makhumalo, she is not true. That Makhumalo says they were very too close with Masaule. But Makhumalo and Mangwabe, we saw them, they are very close. And Mangwabe says, yes, I know Masaule. You understand it? What Macele she was trying or to paint Makhumalo like is a bad person, Makhumalo she was lying. You understand? It's not good because at that time Makhumalo and Masaule, they get along. Macele was not there. The person who says Makhumalo have to come in Muzumbe to Musamseleku because there is no one who was staying in Muzumbe. Masaule have got her house in town because maybe Musamseleku meet Masaule. Masaule was independent like Makhumalo. Maybe she has her own house in town. That's why you saw even Masaule's son never stay in Muzumbe, never to be together with the Musamseleku because Masaule inherit her son. She has a house, what I think like that. Because Masaule, why she was not staying in Muzumbe? Macele move in Muzumbe that Masaule can come and stay. But Masaule can't stay in Muzumbe. Maybe she has a house in town. I don't know the town was Musamseleku was explaining where Masaule was staying. You understand? So Macele sometimes can explain that Makhumalo and Masaule what Makhumalo was not true. She was explaining. But Mangwabe, she is saying that she knows Masaule. Macele refused to go to Masaule's grave. I don't understand because it's a grave. It's not Masaule like to support Musamseleku, and Macele refused to do that. And Mayeni, those people, they know Masaule, but guys, I don't understand. Macele never like Masaule. What I know, Masaule now she can't come and say her mind about Macele. Macele at that time when Musamseleku bring Masaule, she was not accepting Istanbul polygamy like now. Yes, Macele with Mayeni, Makhumalo accept not like that, like with Makwela. They are not get along. They are not close where she is doing for Makwela. Macele accept Makwela, not Masaule, Makhumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabi.